Welcome to this tutorial on XLOOKUP, the new function in Excel that makes it easy to search for values in a table and return corresponding values from another column. In this video, we'll cover the basics of XLOOKUP and explore its advantages over VLOOKUP. The XLOOKUP function has a simple syntax: XLOOKUP, lookup underscore value, lookup underscore array, return underscore array, if underscore found. Let's break down what each of these arguments means. Now that we've covered the syntax, let's see how to use XLOOKUP in a real-world example. Suppose we have a table with employee names and IDs, and we want to find the ID of a specific employee. So, why use XLOOKUP instead of VLOOKUP? XLOOKUP is more flexible and less prone to errors, making it a better choice for many situations. In addition to XLOOKUP, Excel has introduced several new dynamic array functions that make it easy to work with data. These include filter, sort, and unique. The filter function allows you to filter data based on conditions. For example, suppose we want to find all employees with a salary above a certain threshold. The sort function allows you to sort data in ascending or descending order, while the unique function removes duplicates. These functions are useful for cleaning and preparing data for analysis. That's it for this tutorial on XLOOKUP and the new dynamic array functions in Excel. With practice, you'll become proficient in using these functions to search, filter, and analyze data in your spreadsheets.